Hello, Harmonauts. I woke up in the middle of the night, but I didn't do what Crypto does, which is I saw an emergency in the chart. I was getting water from the fridge and I had to go and bring you a video right now. No, what I did instead was I just laid in bed and I thought, what am I going to do next with my Harmony? What am I going to do with everything that I hold in crypto? Well, I'm going to share that with you in this video. My next personal views, moves, which are not investment advice. You have to do your own due diligence. We'll also do some technical analysis as well. I'm Joanna Garzilli. This is Crypto Angel Network. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, to liking the videos, for hitting the bell for notifications, and big thanks as well. Shout out to Kuchi Sensei, who is answering the questions in the community for the newbies and for those who are experienced too. Off the charts, amazing, a true crypto angel. Also, shout out to ex-Londoner and to Stephen Harrison. And there are a number of you here as well who are incredible that I appreciate very much. With that being said, let's get into this. And I'm going to share my screen so that we can get into the exciting things. So I just thought, let's just start at a top level here. I think it's Michael Van Uden. He can't wait to get all negative about Harmony. Ha. Harmony is going to zero. Wow, he loves just stirring it up. Oh, Michael, bless you. So let's take a look right here. You can just see what's happening right now is nothing to do with Harmony, nothing to do with the fundamentals of Harmony, because I'm going to show you with some of the things that they're doing and the progress that they're making. And people love to get all negative about things. They just want to look for an opportunity. Not everyone, not the Harmonauts, because most of the Harmonauts are very positive, but they just want to get all... So we can see here, look at the pattern here. So Harmony went down in the past 7 days, 35.8%, 13.2% in the last 24 hours. And it's gone green actually in the past hour. It says here on CoinGecko 0.09873 cents. But if you look here, very similar to what's happened to OMG Network, which I hold too, to Anchor, which I hold as well. I mean, just look at the chart here. Can you see that a number of the tokens are experiencing similar moves? And if we go all the way up, let's scroll all the way near the top into the top 10, Harmony's done very similar move to Bitcoin, to Ethereum, to Binance, to XRP, Cardano. This is not a Harmony issue at all. This is across the board. Now, some people are saying, is this the end of the bull run? Are we going bearish until 2022? I don't believe so. I mean, I know that nothing is certain. Nothing is certain at all. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. But I still feel positive. I'm not worried when these headlines come out about capital gains tax being increased dramatically by Biden, or things about how Bitcoin is being banned in certain countries. I just think that if you're going to go into crypto, you just have to know that there is volatility, that you're getting on a roller coaster. When I woke up at 2 a.m, I thought to myself, I'm in a storm right now. I thought back to times when I have been on a flight, and when I've been on that flight and there's been a hell of a lot of turbulence and I've been terrified, I'm going, well, what's going to happen? And a quiet voice has said from within me, Joanna, it's not your time to die. You're okay. You're going to be all right. You're going to get there. And maybe I'm being a bit dramatic here, but that's sort of what I feel when everything goes red on the chart and I'm going negative in my portfolio. Am I worried? Am I just going to just pull everything out? Absolutely not. That's not what I'm doing. Let me know in the comments what you are going to be doing. A lot of you here who are in the Crypto Angel Network community are hodling. I do see that. So before I get into the chart analysis here, I want to share with you, I want to just go over to Binance US and share what I feel is something very positive and what I'm doing, what I plan to do, despite this correction that is happening in the market right now. So you can see I'm on Binance.us. If you don't already have an account, there is a link in my video description, and you can see here you can stake the different tokens. And here it is, one. here is one. What I love about the staking rewards for one. Now, I know that you could say, well, it's only 2 to 3%. And if you go to harmony.one, there are validators where you can stake and get a much higher percentage. For me, it just happens automatically in Binance. Look at this. So we can see here in my rewards, I hold around 60,001 at the moment. And I'm delighted today. I've got 136 one here. And I received previous rewards, 45.5 one. Every one counts, right? Every single one. So I'm super excited about that. So based on what's happening in the charts, I just want to show you, let's see, where are my orders? Open orders. What have I got open right now? I have an order open to go and buy another $1,000 worth of one, and I've put that buy order in slightly lower entry point. I just want to hold out and see if I get this 0.0797 for 12,500 one. So what I'm doing is I'm buying the dip. I should have in the middle of the night just got up and put that buy order in, because let's go over to the chart now. And if we go full screen here, and you can see right over here in the middle of the night, this is when I woke up, it went all the way down. Where did it go down to? It looks here about 0.071. I think it was almost like 0.65, but here it's showing on this chart 0.071, so around 7 cents. I'm sort of kicking myself that I didn't go in there. I was thinking about taking action yesterday. Sometimes for me, I just, because I'm still newer to the space, I need to take time to just think about what to do. And right now we got green candles. So when I did technical analysis the other day, I had said we would either go, if we went to the upside, we would have to break through, I think 16 cents. If we went to the downside, there would be support around 8 cents. And you can see that here there is a support line right around 8.5 cents, and it dipped a little bit below that. So I may adjust my buy order, because I think because of what's happening in these next few days, we may be going sideways. But I believe that I just feel that when Bitcoin bounces back, and I don't think that we're going to keep going to, I could be totally wrong, but I just don't think that this is it for Bitcoin and that we are going into a bear cycle. I just don't feel that. There are so many institutions coming into the space, and this isn't just about Harmony, this is market wide. So I think that people who aren't going and putting buy orders in now maybe they're going to kick themselves a little bit when Harmony does go up to 30 cents. It's going up to at least 30 cents. It's going to be $1, I believe, by the end of the year. It could be even more. That's what I'm sticking to. That's what I feel about Harmony. So to the naysayers who just can't wait to cut Harmony down, I totally disagree. So let's just draw a little bit on the chart just to look at, well, what next here. So this is on the hourly. And let's go to the 15-minute here. And let me get my drawing tool. And I'm going to do a horizontal line here. So we can just look at from what has happened since the last TA that I did. So I'm going to put the line right down here. It actually, if we go back to what happened in the middle of the night, but this is not commonplace. This happened on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on VeChain. As you just saw in what I showed you in CoinGecko, it has happened across the board. This isn't just to do with bad news for Harmony. This is market wide. This is global. So you can see here in the middle of the night from the RSI indicator that we went down. We were totally oversold. I mean, it went really down a lot. And now things bounced back. They have bounced back. So are we going to go on another dip Again, let's just go back a little bit more on the RSI indicator. And it is possible. You can see that there are some other dips there as well. So that's why I just want to give it a chance and see in the next 24 hours. I think we're going to go sideways for the next few days. I also think that because of this news about Venmo going and offering, they're going to start selling crypto. I've noticed there's a week delay before things just go to the upside. So I'm focusing on buying the dip. So we've got a little pump happening right here. This is where I get torn because I already hold my harmony, so I want it to keep going up, but I also would like to be able to buy the dip, and I'm looking at going in, like I said, right around here. We'll see if that happens. If not, I'll just adjust it slightly, and I'll probably try and go in around here, around 8.5, because it may just have a red candle, dip down there, and then go back up again. We'll see. I'm okay. What I found, sometimes I put in a trade, and I want to find that ideal point, and it's hard. It's hard to time it exactly right. So let's now just go and put what is the resistance. We're going to go red here to show the resistance, and we're going to go, let's see, we got a line of resistance, and I'm just going again from in this last day just to keep it current. And then, so from the standpoint of this line of resistance, let me just move that up a tiny bit. You can see that Harmony is breaking out of this band of resistance here. So we're going to see what's happened. Will it keep breaking, going up to the upside? Because where is that next line? Let's just close it in a little bit more, and I'm going to do a second horizontal line, and let's put that in an even thicker line. Let's go super thick line here. I'm going to go right, not up there. Let's go and split the difference in the middle. And so that is 12.3. So that was a line of support before that has become a line of resistance. But I really just feel this is temporary, and I feel very, very bullish overall on Harmony. Let's add in a trend line. And just go from, let's see, if we're going to go overall, let's go from the top of the line here and see what is going to happen, what has to happen, what is going to happen. I'm going to change the color of this line. Let me move this. Hang on a sec, bear with me. And let's just see, let's go to here. And we're going to change that color to yellow. And let's go with a thicker line. And let's just, there we go. So right now, I'm probably going to have to change my buy order. We've got a little red candle here. So you can see that from this triangle, we got a descending triangle. But again, this is across the board on all crypto. And you can see Harmony has broken outside of this triangle. So this does give me hope. We have some volume here. We're not overbought yet. We're probably going to have another, like I said, it's probably going to go back down inside this triangle. And then are we going to break down even lower? I would be so surprised if we do. But even if we did, let's say, for example, things went down to 7.5 cents and broke down below that. And then I think that next line of I know I'm doing like worst case scenario here, but I just don't feel it's a worst case scenario. Let's go to the 1 hourly. And you can see here, look at that support here at around 7.5 cents. Going all the way back into March. We'd then have to go down to around 3 cents. So even if that happened, I'm not selling, because what keeps me here in it is just going, where are we going to be at in December 2021? I think we're going to be far past 30 cents. I mean, this is just what happens in crypto. These corrections are normal. And so I don't see anything to worry about in these charts at all? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Whether you feel bullish, whether you feel bearish on all of this. What are your thoughts? So let's just go back again to the 15-minute. And what we're going to be looking for as we go through in the next couple of days, well, actually in the next few hours, if we break out above just over 10 cents, then it will be about moving back up to 12 cents. So where are we going to be at the end of this month? I know that Michael Van Uten said, Joanna, at the end of April, there's no way we're going to be at 30 cents. We can see the 30th here. Maybe we won't. Maybe we're going to be around 16, 17 cents. But I believe that we're going to keep moving to the upside. And just if we zoom out overall, let's just do a big zoom out, because this always makes me feel better. Let me go to the hourly. And you can see that over a period of time, we have moved up. And that this is just, I think this is a bigger market-wide consolidation, and that there is nothing to worry about. So I've told you what I'm looking at, my entry point. I am being a little bit, maybe stretching it a bit by trying to go in at just below 8 cents. If in the next few hours, I see that we break out above 10 cents and holding above 10 cents, and moving to the upside, then I'll adjust my buy order probably to where it might just dip back down to around 9-10 cents, and I'll adjust it. We'll see. This is where I just drive myself nuts. And then I want to share just besides the fact that I love that Binance does automatic staking rewards, this good piece of news, Injective Protocol with Harmony. We're delighted to announce that Injective is integrating with Harmony to launch a diverse array of interoperable derivatives. And then I just want to show you here, let's just go all the way down to here, Injective's integration with Harmony. Our vision at Injective has always been to create a fully decentralized cross-chain derivatives exchange that's able to work across all blockchains. Over the past few months, we've also started to delve deeper, integrating a number of other layer 1 blockchains such as Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain. So the collaboration with Harmony means that you're going to be able to have Harmony-based assets as well as the native Harmony token to be brought over to Injective. And let's just go down here to the bigger parts of things. Injective shares Harmony's vision of rising above the blockchain trilemma, providing scalability without compromising security and decentralization. And they are excited to join forces and create more interoperability. And again, I think the bigger things to come back to here is that Harmony is a solution to be able to have lower gas fees with Ethereum, which still is an issue across all blockchain. I just know that I don't use Uniswap. I've actually struggled with that. I am just on main exchanges. I am holding, for me, pretty much my biggest holdings are Ethereum. I believe in Ethereum very much. But I think that being able to Harmony creating this bridge here and just being able to, there was something specific here that they said, again, you can come and look at this on the Injective Protocol blog, but just bringing down the gas fees and increasing the speed when using Ethereum. Those are the main benefits there. So that's it. There you have it. I am bullish on Harmony. I'm not worried, even if somehow that Bitcoin just absolutely goes through another massive dump and Harmony were to go down to 3 cents, I will be buying more. That's my personal, what I am doing. You got to do what feels right for you, but I'm not selling anytime soon. I believe in Harmony and I just love what they're doing. And the last thing I'll leave you with is the angel card today is obedience. There's a little traffic light there. Red stop, yellow wait, green go. Well, I'm not worried about anything. I am obediently buying my Harmony. I'm going to get in line. I'm lining up for it. So what are you doing? Are you adding to your bags? Are you selling? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Let me know in the comments. I'm Joanna Garzilli. This is Crypto Angel Network, and I am sending you lots of love.